All right, the Memphis Fire Department and the Red Cross are doing their part to make sure people are educated about fire safety. This comes after 5 people were killed in a house fire earlier this month. WREG's Quemetra Wilborn brings us the latest efforts.
Good morning, Red Cross.
Volunteers with the American Red Cross and firefighters with the Memphis Fire Department spent the morning knocking on doors one by one in the Hyde Park community. The goal was to sound the alarm about the importance of having a working smoke alarm. Each year, the two groups work together to deliver more than 250 smoke detectors to homes in various neighborhoods.
So we also want to tap into the neighborhoods where we kind of see where we might have to target because they might not, the lack of smoke detectors. You know, we like to get out in every community, but every year we kind of target this community just to make sure that awareness is there.
So far this year, Quanisha Ward, who is the Memphis Fire Department Public Information Officer, says most of the fire fatalities the department has responded to involved people over the age of 60. Earlier this month, MFD responded to 3 deadly house fires. In total, 5 people died. Ward says only one of the homes had a working smoke alarm.
It's important because smoke detectors give you that early indication that you need to be able to get you and your family out safely.
In addition to having a smoke detector, Ward says it's important to have and practice a fire escape plan, which should include having at least 2 ways to get in and out of your home. Reporting for your news leader from the Hyde Park community, Quemetra Wilborn, WREG News Channel 3.
Certainly an important effort there, and if you are in need of a smoke detector, the Memphis Fire Department offers free smoke detectors to people who live in the city. For more information, you can click the link attached to this story at WREG.com.